Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video, which is going to be a little bit of unboxing because I was kindly sent the Next 2023 Grooming Advent Calendar, and I know it's only October and we're talking about Christmas, but actually I was going to say I've seen Christmas adverts, but I'm not sure I have actually, because one, I don't really watch much television these days. Watch, you know, Disney Plus, Netflix, etc. But I was sent, I don't want to obviously show you my address, but here we can see it says Next Beauty 2023 Advent, well, grooming calendar, and I'm going to open it, unbox it. I have had an advent calendar in the past. Obviously I've had chocolate ones, I had a Pringle one the other year, but I don't think I've ever had like one that is specifically like products, grooming products specifically and things. So yeah, let's have a look in this and see what is going to be inside. If you are not already, please take a moment to subscribe. It's free, there's no cost to you. Just click that button down below and ring my bell to be notified of when I upload, which tends to be 3 times a week. I have been a bit MIA recently because work has just been extremely busy, but hopefully it should be a bit better now. But yeah, if you like a come shop me haul, to go about grocery haul, unboxing, if you like all that kind of thing, then definitely take a moment to subscribe. It's free. Without further ado, let's have a look in here. I will put all the details down below, how much it is, pricing, I'll put that up on the screen as well as we go through it. But I've got my knife and I'm going to open it up. It's very well packaged, very well packaged actually. The might have to, okay, we might have got into it a bit. Here we go. Okay, there we go. Opening up piece of cardboard. Now I don't know what way up it is. This way, I think. I'm gonna have to like, okay, that way up. Gonna have to maybe prop it up somewhere so we can go through it. Let me take off. I can smell the goodies inside already. Can I might put some cushions like this, and then we can pop it here, can't we? That might be an idea. I didn't really need my craft knife thing, and let me just get rid of this. What does this say? We've got the Next Grooming 12 Days of Grooming Advent Calendar. You know, a little pamphlet. It basically goes through all the products in here, but I don't really want to look at that yet because, you know, I want to keep the surprise. I did briefly see, because, you know, I've been on the website, but this is what the box looks like. It is a 12-day advent calendar, which I'm always a bit like, when do you start opening those? Do you open it from the beginning of the month and then do every other day, or do you like count down 12 days, like from the 12th to Christmas? I don't know. I can smell this box. So there we go. It's got this really nice geometric design. The Next Grooming 12 Days of Grooming Advent calendar there goes all the way around, plain on the back, plain on the bottom, but you know, it's got a nice design. Can I pop it here and you see? Oh, you can. That's actually quite good. I'll just move to the thing. I might move it down a little bit. So yeah, let's have a look inside. I love a magnetic closure. Oh, I don't know if it's going to prop open, but there we go. We've got a selection of boxes, and now if you don't want spoilers, click away. But I am going to go through these. As I said, I've never had like a grooming or advent calendar to this scale to myself. I've brought people in the past, I've brought different brands in the past, like Loxy and stuff, for relatives. So I'm going to go in here, and I was like, where's box number 1? But here we go, and it's drawers, and like, this is all cardboard, so you could reuse it for other years, couldn't you? Oh, they're very long. I didn't like really, can you see how long it is? I didn't really consider how long that might be, but it is, you know, quite long. And day number 1, and you've got lots of tissue paper in here, and we have got the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine, I think that says marine, I can't read, cream for men. It's anti-wrinkle, hydrating moisturiser, creme, I was going to read the French, but there we go. I've never tried anything from Elemis before. It's 15 mils, so there we go, that's box number 1, or drawer number 1? Door, even though they're not doors, but you know, drawer kind of. Number 2, oh, this is a big product. Let me try and get it out, but it looks like, you know, a proper full size. This is the Scottish Fine Soaps Company, not a brand I've heard of. Men's Grooming, it's a face wash basically, 75 mils, so you know, that is like a full size face wash in this like very coppery, gingery coppery packaging. So there we go. I didn't actually see what that smelled like, but is it gonna have, it's got a thing on. I'm not going to like squirt it everywhere, but let me actually go back to number 1 for Elemis. I've never tried anything for Elemis, and Elemis is obviously a quite, you know, pricey brand. Let me see, has this got a stopper on it? Oh, it has. It's got a stopper on as well. But you know, this is good for 12 months. Anti-wrinkle, because did they know I'm in my well, I'm 30. Is that in my 30s? Yeah. Who am I kidding? Box number 3, we have a Bulldog product. This is their original face wash. I have used this in the past. You know, it's a good standard face wash, that's good. And that isn't a 30 mils. So that is a travel size. And you know, that will be, you can buy those in travel sizes in like places, can't you? Where's number 4? 4 is over here. And we have in here a Phillip Kingsley product. There we go. Phillip Kingsley. Let me try and put the door. Why is it not going back in? There we go. Phillip Kingsley product, which I know is a hair care brand. And it's Flaky Itchy Scalp AntiDandr Shampoo, which I actually do suffer from. My scalp is very dry. I'm using an Aveeno one at the moment, but I could always do with something else, so that's good. Will be good to try. Is 20 mils. Pop marking. Where is number 5? There's number 5. And we have got in here another Phillip Kingsley product. This is the hydrating conditioner. So you got the shampoo in number 4, and then the next day is the conditioner. So you know, that's good, rather than like scattering it around. The next day is the hydrating conditioner in the same, I was going to say scent, but you know, same realm of products. This hasn't got a stopper on, but, and I don't think that really smells of much, but there we go. That'll be good to try. 6 is what day we're on. And in here we have got a MoMo beard oil, vanilla and mango. Oh, I was gonna like spray. I thought it was a spray, but it's a pump. And yeah, so this is 100 mils of product, so that's really good. I've not heard of that brand before, but you know, the whole point of a like advent calendar and stuff is like unboxing and trying brands that you would not have you tried before. Number 7 is an ESPA, is that how we say it, product? This is Fitness Shower Gel. It's got like a, I don't know what you call that, like marble coloured top, I suppose. Let's see. I can smell that. It smells like minty and mentholy. It might tell me. This is a cleansing shower gel to refreshen the body and revitalise the mind. So yeah, I don't know what scent that is, but it smelled a bit mentally. I don't know whether that's a mix of all the products together. Number 8 is here, and we have in number 8, oh, this is a big boy. We have got This Works Stress Check CBD Body Cocoon. Am I saying that right? This is a body lotion with CBD, shea butter and essential oils to help comfort body and mind. And I know I've not tried anything from This Works, but I know this has got a stopper as well. Oh, I can smell that though. It's quite, does it say what scent it is? I don't know. Doesn't say what. I don't think it does anyway. But that smells very fresh and mentally as well, a bit mentally. But you know, that's 100 ml, so that's a good size product. Let me put that back in there, and we'll go for a number 9, which looks like another big one as well. It literally takes up, they have squashed it in. That's how big this product is. And I think this one might be the one that is the stuff that I can smell. This is, and I definitely need this. This is, or it is this. It's reminding me of something. It smells a bit tea tree-y. Very much like, if you've ever smelled Bulldog products. The smell of this smells like that. I'm not going to get this one back in the box. This is a 150 ml product. This is the Aromatherapy Associates DeStress Muscle Gel. Interesting. I've not heard of a muscle gel before. I can't open the lid. I don't know why I can't open the lid. Can I unscrew it? No, I can't unscrew it or anything at the moment. Ah, that's probably why. I think it's sealed. It's got a seal on it. That's why I can't open it. But this is experience the warming and easing power of rosemary, black pepper, lavender and ginger. Lavender is what I can smell. Helping to soothe and recover the ritual, massage gently into any problem areas, which is actually going to be quite useful because I haven't been running in a while. I really need to get back into it, and I was really into it. And my knees are need some soothing, let's say. Can we put this back in? This was, you know, a full-size product. I can't confirm or deny if that's a full-size product, but that is a decent, you know, big size product. Let's go to number 10. We've got 3 days left. In here we've got a Clarins product in a little box as well. This is the Clarins Men Super Moisture Balm. Never tried anything from Clarins. I don't think, apart from Bulldog, can't remember the other products now. Apart from Bulldog, I've not tried any of the other brands, I don't think. This is a little 12 ml product. And you know, Clarins is quite pricey. So it'll be interesting. No, I can't smell it. They all got stoppers on, which, you know, is good. And I kind of don't want to open any of them now because I kind of want to keep it so that I open it around Christmas, because by then I'm going to have forgotten what's in here. So yeah, that is good. Right, number 11. Number 11 is a Bath and Body Works product. If you don't know, I love Bath and Body Works. This is a body wash and foam. It says foam bath, so I'm guessing bath foam. It is the eucalyptus and spearmint scent. Oh, this one hasn't got a stopper on. That, yeah, you can definitely smell the spearmint. I was going to say taste. I did not taste it. Do not taste it. But yeah, that is very good. It has got a little one of those. And this is, how many mils are we? 59 mils. And then we come to the last day, so number 12. And what have we got in here? Did I go for any more? We have got the Loxy hand cream. You know, Loxy hand cream. That's what I'm trying to say. 30 mils, so that's a decent sized product. I have tried Loxy before. I don't think I've tried any of their hand creams. So there we go. That was everything. And this little booklet does say like all about the products. It's got like a thing on all of them. It does say that Mo Brothers beard oil is a full size, for example. This is just very thick card. This Works product is a full size. It does also say you might get one of either or of the Bath and Body Works products. You might get the eucalyptus or you might get the ocean scent, which I have tried the ocean scent as well. It has got a little promo for Bath and Body Works Clean Slate. That looks different. I've not tried that scent. And the Aromatherapy Associates product is also a full size. So yeah, you get 3 full-size products in here and lots to try, which is the whole point. So there we go. That was the next 12 days of grooming advent calendar. There we go. Let me know your thoughts down below. Let me know if you're getting an advent calendar for Christmas. As I said, I've never tried. won like a grooming advent calendar before, so I'm very grateful to Next for sending that out, so thank you so much, #gifted. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you're not already, please take a moment to subscribe. It's free, there's no cost to you for doing so. Just click that button down below and ring my bell to be notified of when I upload. But other than that, thank you guys so much for watching, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye.
Man, I still go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day.